Hi friends, this video is from a day party which we organized in my native place Janai, West Bengal. So क्योंकि ये एक डे पार्टी थी, हमने इसको एक वाइब्रेंट और कलरफुल थीम देने का सोचा. And we did not use any lights in the entrance part, so I came up with the concept of umbrella decoration. So kuch Jaipuri Rajasthani umbrellas I ordered from Amazon, and the paper lanterns were also ordered from Amazon. Rest umbrellas जो कि kids umbrellas है, you can easily purchase from any shops nearby. Second, I used Rickshaw as a prop and made it as a selfie booth, or we can say photo booth, जिसको guest ने बहुत पसंद किया and people clicked lots of pictures and videos over there. Second, it's a stage that we made for the live band. Like the video and the concept that I implemented to decorate a small party, and I would like to thank also my decorator जिनको मेरा concept idea समझ में आया and बहुत beautifully उन्होंने इसको implement करके portray किया है. So please do like, subscribe and share my video, and do comment if you have any tips or if you have used this concept in your function. Keep watching Romy Handicrafts video and keep loving. Thank you.